Buenos dias. My name is Mr. Orm, for those of you who don't know me. And today I wanted to create this video so that we could revise the topic of school a little bit, with the aim of you completing a short piece of writing at the end. Okay. So the first thing that you need to do, okay, is we're going to practice the vocab for school subjects. Okay, so there's two ways in which you can do this activity. The first way is that you can pause the video now and write down as many of these as you can remember in Spanish. And the second way is that you can just hang on and I will give anagrams of them so the words all mixed up, and then you'll try to rearrange the letters to make the words. So if you're confident in knowing them, you can pause the video now and write them all out. Okay? Right, so if you need a little bit of help revising these, here are the words which are written in the wrong order. Okay, so they're anagrams. So now pause the video and try to rearrange the letters to make the words. Okay, so hopefully you've managed to do as many of those as you can. So let's have a look. So English is el inglés. Maths is las matemáticas. Science, las ciencias. PE, la educación física. Spanish, el español. Geography, la geografía. Music, la música. And history, la historia. Okay, so now we're going to look at how you give opinions about those subjects. Okay, so you have on the screen 6 opinions. You need to put them in order from I love to I hate. Okay, so I love at the top, then I really like, then I like, I don't like, really don't like, and I hate. Okay, so pause the video now and put those in order. Okay, so hopefully you've managed to put those in an order now. Okay, so we'll start at the top with I love is me encanta. Me gusta mucho, I like it a lot. Me gusta, I like. No me gusta, I don't like. No me gusta nada, I really don't like. And odio, I hate. Okay, so we're going to put all that together now to make some sentences. So you'll see that we have 2 rows in this table. Okay, we've got the yellow row and the green row. Okay, and the difference is the yellow row, all of those subjects are singular. Okay, so to give an opinion about them, we use the opinions in the second column. So me encanta, me gusta mucho, me gusta. Okay, so me gusta el inglés, me gusta la religión, no me gusta el teatro, etc. The green row, those 2 subjects are plural. Okay, and that means that the verb that we use when we're given an opinion sometimes has to add an N. Okay, so instead of me encanta, we say me encantan when we're talking about science or maths. Okay, instead of me gusta, we say me gustan. Okay, so now I'm going to give you an opinion, okay, in Spanish, and you're going to translate it into English. Okay, so I'll say it in Spanish, you pause the video, write your translation, and then I'll tell you the answer. Okay, so the first one is me gusta mucho la historia. Okay, so me gusta mucho la historia is I really like history. The next one is odio las matemáticas. Okay, so odio las matemáticas means I hate maths. The next one is no me gusta nada la música. Okay, so no me gusta nada la música means I really don't like music. Okay, so you're going to do some in Spanish now. So the first one is I like geography. Okay, so hopefully you got I like geography is me gusta la geografía. I don't like maths. Okay, so hopefully you got no me gustan las matemáticas. I hate PE. Okay, so hopefully you got odio la educación física. Okay, so the next activity is a reading activity. You need to read these and complete the table, okay? So, for example, number 1, the first opinion that Felipe gives is me gusta mucho el teatro. So that means in our smiley face column, we're going to put drama, okay? So pause the video and fill in the table with the subjects each person likes and dislikes. Okay, so hopefully you're ready to go through the answers now. Okay, so Felipe says, me gusta mucho el teatro. I really like drama. And then he says, me encanta el inglés. I love English. So you should have drama and English in your table. Then he says, no me gusta nada la música. I really don't like music. And he says, odio la informática. So you should have music and IT in the dislike column. Alejandro says, me gusta mucho la religión. I really like RE, pero no me gusta la geografía, but I don't like geography. No me gusta nada la educación física. I really don't like PE, pero me encanta el español, but I love Spanish. So you should have RE in Spanish in likes and geography and PE in dislikes. 3, Pedro says, no me gustan las matemáticas. I don't like maths. Pero me encantan las ciencias, but I love science. Me gusta la historia, I like history, pero no me gusta nada el dibujo, but I really don't like art. So you should have science and history in likes, and maths and art in dislikes. Okay? So, we're going to now extend our opinions a little bit, okay? And we're going to extend them by using an adjective. So we've got our opinions that we did before, okay? And then on the right, we've got our adjectives. Now, the adjective needs to change, okay, depending on whether the noun, which is the school subject, is masculine or feminine, okay? So if you look in the blue box, we've got el inglés, el español, el dibujo, el teatro, el baile. They're all masculine subjects, okay? So the adjective we use to describe them needs to be a masculine adjective. So you can see here, these are the masculine adjectives, okay? And then these ones in the orange box, okay, these are all feminine, okay? So you need to use the feminine adjectives with them. And then we've got these ones in the pink box are feminine and plural, okay? So we need to use feminine plural adjectives to describe them, okay? So I'm going to give you an opinion in Spanish and you're going to translate it into English, okay? So the first one is, me encantan las ciencias porque son fáciles. Okay, so you should have, I love science because it is easy. Next one, me gusta mucho el teatro porque es divertido. So you should have, I really like drama because it's fun. The next one, no me gusta nada la informática porque es difícil. No me gusta nada la informática porque es difícil. So you should have, I really don't like IT because it is difficult. Okay. Now you're going to translate it to Spanish. So the first one is, I love maths because it is useful. I love maths because it is useful. So you should have, me encantan las matemáticas porque son útiles. Next one is, I really don't like geography because it is boring. I really don't like geography because it is boring. So you should have, no me gusta nada la geografía porque es aburrida. No me gusta nada la geografía porque es aburrida. Okay, next one is, I really don't like science because they are difficult. I really don't like sciences because they are difficult. Okay, so you should have, no me gustan nada las ciencias porque son difíciles. No me gustan nada las ciencias porque son difíciles. Okay, so The next activity is a listening activity. So what you need to do is you need to copy this table, and you will need, for each person, if they like the subject, you do a smiley face. If they dislike it, you do a sad face. You write the subject that they like or dislike, and you write the reason that they like or dislike it. Okay? So I'll say each one twice, and you just fill in your table as best as you can. Okay? So you can pause the video so you can copy the table. Once you've copied it, resume the video, and we'll start the listening activity. Okay? So let's make a start. Uno. Me gusta el inglés porque es divertido. Me gusta el inglés porque es divertido. 2. No me gusta nada la geografía porque es aburrida. No me gusta nada la geografía porque es aburrida. 3. Me encanta el español porque es útil. Me encanta el español porque es útil. Okay, so at this point in the video, you might want to go back and listen to one of those again, or all of them again, and that's fine. You can do that as many times as you want, but remember that there's more of the lesson to get through, okay? So, uno, I said, me gusta el inglés. Me gusta, I like. El inglés, English, porque es divertido. Divertido is fun. 2. No me gusta nada, I really don't like. La geografía, geography, porque es aburrida, because it's boring. 3. Me encanta, I love. El español, Spanish, porque es útil, because it's useful. Okay, so now we've revised opinions and reasons, okay? What you're going to do now is you're going to write a short paragraph about your school, okay? So your teacher will provide, in your Teams page, your teacher will provide the following: a link to the Microsoft Forms page where you will do your piece of writing, a PDF of the sentence builders from today's lesson, and also the sentence builders about snacks and teachers to help you do your piece of writing. And finally, the link to a Quizlet set that you'll complete once you've done your piece of writing. Okay? And any questions that you have, ask them on the Teams page, okay? And your teacher will get back to you straight away, okay? Muchas gracias. Que tengáis un buen día. Adiós.